we have Atomo Coffee, Atomo beanless coffee. This is a press release from about a week ago, 17th of June, 2024. Title of the press release coming across Globe Newswire. Atomo Coffee reveals breakthrough discovery to instantly slash coffee-related deforestation, urging immediate collaboration from leading brands to address climate crisis. So, Seattle, Washington, June 17, 2024. Atomo Coffee has reshaped the future of coffee with the launch of Remixed, a revolutionary innovation redefining the industry. This unprecedented blend, merging conventional and beanless coffee, immediately reduces deforestation from coffee production by 50%. Remix is ushering in an era where sustainability and superior taste go hand in hand. The industry is now at a turning point. All barriers on taste and supply of beanless coffee have been removed by Atomo. It is time for the coffee industry to embrace beanless technology and realize the immediate sustainability benefits of this revolutionary innovation. In a blind taste test conducted by Atomo, participants preferred Atomo's Remix 2-1. Coffee drinkers love the taste of beanless coffee blends, said Andy Kleitsch, CEO of Atomo Coffee. Remixed coffee is a win-win. Not only is the taste indistinguishable to consumers, but in most instances it improves the taste of conventional coffee while making an instantaneous positive impact on the planet. Atomo's beanless coffee is made from widely sourced farm-grown superfood and upcycled ingredients such as date seeds, sunflower, guava, and lemon. It elevates the flavor of conventional brews while slashing carbon emissions by up to 83% and using 70% less land. With Remix, there is no longer a need to destroy forests to increase coffee production, adds Kleitsch. Atomo has created the solution and consumers are eager to support it. But to make the most powerful impact, companies like Starbucks, Nestle, and others must decide if they will sit on the sidelines or take real action to address the impact of conventional coffee on our planet. Climate change is expected to have a severe impact on coffee cultivation globally. According to the World Coffee Research, by the year 2050, more than half of the land currently used for growing coffee could become unsuitable due to rising temperatures, unpredictable rainfall, and an increase in diseases and pests. This shift will lead to extensive deforestation as farmers search for new areas to cultivate, worsening environmental damage. About Atomo Coffee. Atomo is on a mission to brew a billion better cups of coffee and provide real solutions to the environmental impacts caused by coffee. Utilizing farm-grown and upcycled ingredients, Atomo delivers the rich flavor and aroma of conventional coffee with notes of dark chocolate, dried fruit, and graham cracker. Its products offer health benefits such as lower acidity, which is gentler on the stomach, and high antioxidant content for overall well-being. By deriving caffeine from green tea, Atomo provides a smoother, no-crash energy boost. So, end of press release. Several things that wanted to address from this press release. Yes, so they've rolled out with a brand, the bags of coffee, Remix. The brand itself it's an okay name. It's a good name. The colors for the brand on the packaging are leaves a little bit to be desired. It's a little bit out there. It's very retro in some ways with the color coordination. But moving on, several things I really like about the article is that the CEO starts to name names. So the CEO, Andy Kleitsch, basically says and calls out people such as Starbucks and Nestle and others to decide if they will sit on the sidelines or take real action to address the impact of conventional coffee on our planet. So it is a call to action. Not quite clear from a business model if they are asking or extending an olive branch that Starbucks and Nestle start to work with Atomo, and therefore Atomo has more clients and revenue and customers, or it's basically challenging Starbucks and Nestle to spice up and to diversify their own perhaps up to 100% dependent Arabica or Robusta for their products. Specifically with Nestle with Robusta for the instant coffees. So if Atomo has drawn the line in the sand that their retail brand Remix, its own freestanding brand now, is going to be exactly 50% not coffee, but from other raw ingredients such as date seeds, sunflower, guava, and lemon. The caffeine is also coming from green tea, it says. So yes, slashing carbon emissions up to 83% and then 70% less land. So there's many boxes that are checked with this business model, and so it's a little bit not clear if this is a direct challenge to other companies to become partners, or challenging them to also become direct competitors and start to innovate what their own sort of raw ingredients might be to create a coffee product that is not 100% from coffee beans itself. Um, so those are several things that really stand out from the article. Yes, and then it's basically saying that the theme of the beginning of the press releases is that by having the launch of this brand called Remix, it's redefining the industry. So it's beanless coffee, therefore reducing deforestation and from coffee production by 50%. And that is where they sort of draw the line. So now the new benchmark is that 50% of a bag of coffee that you buy, namely Remix, will be anything but coffee beans. So therefore, if there's more efficiency coming from guava, if there's a more efficiency coming from date seeds, sunflower, lemon, green tea, then they want to basically force the consumer, or hopefully nudge the consumer, to embrace a non 100% coffee bean base. So this is akin and reminiscent to a recent article about substitutes for cocoa for chocolates, to create a whole new category where the consumer is aware that it's not 100% cocoa for chocolate, and in this case it's not 100% Arabica or Robusta, but a combination. And then the key selling points is the taste. The key selling points are all these boxes being checked about saving forests, and then achieving efficiency with land use, also reduced acidity, antioxidants. So many things that are mentioned in this press release that are uh, net positives. So hats off to Andy and his team over there in Seattle, Washington, and looking forward to more press releases. And I understand that this company already has a large basket of investors across their various rounds of growth. They seem like they are going places, and it's been really entertaining to watch them from a distance, and will be interesting to see just how much market share they can capture depending on where they sort of plant their flag. And it seems with this, Remix is the brand that they will stand on, whether it's through Costco or other sort of B2C plays. They're going to hopefully grow the Remix brand and see how the market takes it. They could certainly white label it and then work with Nestle. They could certainly white label it and work with Starbucks, but that would be definitely a huge win if they could partner with some of those companies. Let's see if that is their strategy. Looking forward to seeing the business model advance and evolve from here.